Failing to plan is planning to fail. These were the words repeated by Minister Alamin Usman May of Economy, Planning and Regional Development. This was during a meeting today in Douala geared towards the planning of the second phase of Vision 2035. The meeting brought together stakeholders, business persons, amongst other partners, to assess what has been done this far in Cameroon to attain the Millennium Development Goal and a way forward. The minister underscored that although the country is plagued with a lot of challenges, some progress has been made in this sector. Yet, much is left to be done. He added that to attain Vision 2035, Cameroon needs to step up her growth rate.
We have to step up our investment from the private sector as well as from the public sector. We need to reach around 35 to 40% of our GDP in terms of investment. Of course, this is also going to happen through strengthening our primary and secondary sector.
Moreover, the private sector needs to be implicated in order that they play a pivotal role as investors and facilitators.
The state will play a role of a facilitator, regulator, and if need be, strategic investors. While doing so, we hope that by sharing all the institutional frameworks, the laws available, we will be able to promote a very strong private sector in Cameroon that will going to serve our national domestic market, the sub-regional market, as well as the continental market.
Notwithstanding, the United Nations Development Programme is also supporting government to elaborate the next National Development Plan in 2020 to 2030.
Of the next National Development Plan. So, as a development agency, as the UN Development Agency, we were pleased to be a part of this discussion, which was a very important discussion to inform the process of formulating the National Development Plan. UNDP was able to share the experiences where we have supported the government to establish platforms on maintaining a permanent dialogue between the government and the private sector. United Nations, we have this agenda for 2030, what we call the Sustainable Development Goals, and one of them is the Sustainable Development Goals number 17, which is about partnership. So we were able here to share our experience in terms of the implementation of SDG 17, which is about partnership.
With all these prospects table, participants during the meeting from the agricultural sector, housing, power supply, finance, amongst others, gave a clarion call for government to take one step at a time, and together Vision 2035 will be more of practice rather than theory. If the wrongs of the first phase has been diagnosed, then it is a way forward for corrections to be made in this second phase.